how to draw the Mona Lisa, who is definitely smiling here. So basically the only benefit of this is like, obviously I can do very intricate details, etc. I'm going to do this using a pencil with like quite a low brush. So we move. So we're going to start with like tracing her like outline. So like there. Don't really know what to commentate over this. Like, what do you want me to say? So these will need to be like blended, etc. So like blended in, but they obviously painted it and I'm not painting it. So go into our nose for like the very intricate details of her nose. See that their mouth is about there. Looks like it's about there. It's like there. And the nose is like here. The predicament is none of the photos are like very good quality photos in a way. Okay then, so it does that kind of, and like it goes into kind of like something like this. And it does that, and it like yeets into this, does that, and there, and that is part one of our eye, and there's that as well, which does that. We are going to end off a bit early there, and with that, I should probably zoom in for this, and then there's a second eye. So that's some facial features done. So then hair. So obviously hair goes like that. That looks like some terrible January 2020 fireworks in what is Australia. So the hair goes here. So I'm just doing the basic outline of her hair. So the hair goes from there, just does that. What the hell is up with this part of her face? Like, what the hell is meant to be there? Jesus Christ. Imagine actually having the ability to be able to draw this. Like, how good must you be? Obviously very, but that is the whole point. So, the arm kind of goes around here, does that, and that. Then I should zoom in. Just like do all the intricate details. Theoretically, the title does say draw, maybe not colour, so that's also beneficial. Well, like I could time lapse this, but then what's the fun? Instead, you can listen to me talk. So here we go, hands, and then another hand. There we go, hand. Then there it is. That is her hands, or hand done, because that's only one of them. Here's the next one. So that does that. That does there. Then this one goes through here. This one does that, and then that, and this one does that, and there. So those are two hands. This one also does that. I feel like I should colour these in with like, actually, I'll do like the, no, but there isn't really much detail. Well, there is detail, but like the detail is in different colours. So we'll start with kind of like an orangey thing for this. So in this, obviously, these are very like dull colours. So what is the dull, this one? Really? Like, set colour sets to show. Can we have the dull colours that I just chose? Like a duller oranges, this one. Can you see it? And where is it? Oh, screw it, we're using a bright orange. We're going to snazz up Mona. Don't know why that's just happened, but okay. Why is the pencil doing that then? Okay then. So there's a yellow version. And that just looks like trash now. You know, we're just going to use olive. Just going to use an olive green and then do that. But so far, it looks nothing like her. Just has like the facial features of her. Because obviously, that was very difficult considering we traced it. Like very difficult stuff right there. So we're just going to use an olive green. Just go like zoom in here. There we go, that's a bit better. So we're just going to do like the intricate details. to like all of these kind of parts and details on her. So that. There we go. It kind of does kind of like a kind of something like these. They're like that. But it's not exactly going to work with mine because like obviously the predicament of this also being black and mine being white. Then there's this. He also got the shading like so well in a way. Like the lighting as well, however way the lighting's facing her, etc. So like say, where's a brown? We need a brown. Go on to colour wheel and brown.com. So the hair goes kind of like here, and then the hair does that, then does that, goes through there and there, and then how am I meant to draw hair? Like I'm not being funny here, no offense, but like how do I draw hair? Like do I just do that? Like this is going to look awful because I just don't know how to draw hair. Like the best I could do was her face, and that's because I fully traced it. Okay then, we'll just try with whatever the hell this delivers us. So it also has like a side parting through here. Like this does that, and then this like goes that way. And it's like calm. So there we go. So it strokes down perfectly. And then it's just like going. I need to fix that bit. Wait, I will fix it. There we go. And more hair. I think this is all hair. And then say we were to get rid of it. To be fair, if you looked at that, you would know it is the Mona Lisa. Okay then, the rest of it, I think, like up to here, I don't think it's hair anymore. So we can get rid of up to here. Up to here, we can start back with the black. You can go back to the black detailing. So that. So now there is obviously her hand, which does a bit of a thing there. And there's like yellow. So there's yellow outlines right here with like, we'll try that. It's like yellow outlines in a way. And there are also yellow outlines here. There we go. Then our entire arm is yellow. So like say this and this, but it's like kind of like a creamy yellow in a way. So like that is the Mona Lisa. Is it not? I'm pretty sure it is. Like I think we just need to fix this up a bit. It's like, let's like give her a neck, and then we look for like a cream. A cream would be kind of like here maybe, or would that be a cream would be more like inside here. It'd be like on the yellower side of here. That'd be that. That may be a cream. Okay, and we use that and we just like shade her in. So quick shading for her face. Like Mona, you've never looked at this pen before. The title was How to Draw Mona Lisa, and I did show you how to draw her, so before you're like, this is trash, I know it is, chill. I'm not going to clickbait you, I hope. Unless I find out some kind of like brilliant idea. What do I need? Because I am a complete beginner, so I can title this How to Draw Mona Lisa for Complete Beginners. Like obviously I would like a more like structured colour. That shouldn't be yellow. Obviously I would like a more, just use a marker. Oh, for God's sake. Just using this colour, just like give me this colour back. There we go. So this is like, I should have used this for the hair, to be honest. It's like a more vibrant and better, and just overall better in a way. It's like also helps, but it's kind of like a blendier thing. There we go. Then right here, like blend. If I were to use a black and a white on this, I feel like it would blend quite well. Add in some color tones maybe. Okay then, give me the brown, and then that way I can like fix the hair up a bit. I said give me the brown. Done. Give me the brown. I need to fix the hair up. And then there we go. So just like do a thing right here. And there we go. You know the detail in the back is mad as well. Like it's just not even the Mona Lisa. It's like the back detail is also so mad. It's like fair enough. Like you talented. And then this is just like white person. I feel like the dress should also be like, I feel like I shouldn't have done like the intricate, you do know it's Mona Lisa, that's all I'm getting out of this. Like if you looked at that you would know that is the Mona Lisa. Okay, olive, done. There we go. And now, thanks. Now a little green thing. So this is like a spray paint kind of thing. I quite like it, to be honest. Like it gives you that like blending detail that the other pens don't really give you. Oh yeah, I am just like learning the basics of this anyway, so like don't expect much. But like for a first attempt, I'm not drawing the flipping detail. Like F that. Actually go away, Mona. Da Vinci didn't love you anyway. I never said Da Vinci drew her, I said Da Vinci didn't like her, so chill. Okay, and I'm going to use like an orange to be able to like do these bits, and just to make Mona stand out a bit more. Yes. That may or may not ruin the whole thing. Well, there wasn't exactly much to ruin, it was already pretty much in the bin. But like, I want to add a bit of orange to Mona, just like a bit of flair in her life. It's like, what's so bad in that? Add a bit of flair in Mona's life. And then go back to the orange for these parts. Spray painted on orange, yep. And then give me my yellow back for the hands, the arms, yay. Okay, there. And the very mediocre spray painted arms. Perfection. Yeah. And that is the Mona Lisa. To be fair, if you looked at this, you wouldn't know it is the Mona Lisa. Peace.